Okay, that was most definitely not the way to word that. But yes, we're going to be taking a look at these weird balls. Zuru 5 Surprise. Wow. Yeah, I spotted these in Tesco's in the entertainer section, or their toy section. Make a racer. Wow. Yeah, I've no idea. 9 to collect, apparently. They seem to be this weird looking race car type thing in a ball. Because why wouldn't you put them in balls? Something amusing about the way they roll around. Because they're slightly unbalanced. Yeah. Anyway, that's enough fondling with the balls. Let's take a look at them. So yeah, we have no idea. I do believe Zuru is the same company or brand that make metal machines. The die-cast cars. Have I got one to hand? By the power of me being so incompetent to clear up my room properly, I have this random metal machine here. Yeah, it says Zuru on it. Stop it. Stay. Yeah, Zuru made in China. And there's the metal machines logo up there. An alright brand of car. They're called metal machines despite the fact they're mostly plastic apart from the base. But they were a cheaper brand, and to be honest, the designs and the fact they were, they roll pretty well, they're pretty good as a toy brand as far as things go. But let's find out what are inside these weird blind balls. Blind balls rather than blind bags or boxes. We've had quite a few of these on this channel, and they're always, well, most of the time, quite disappointing. Much like that. Really? Really? Just, there we go. Oh, they got a white pattern to them. Wow. This capsule was made with certified recycled plastic. Mint. Oh, is there another layer? Oh, I thought they were blue. I've been lied to. I thought I had blue balls. Well, thankfully we haven't been given blue balls. We've been given white balls. Wow. Yeah, 100% recycled plastic, except this stuff you cannot recycle. Mint. Oh my god. Oh, we get an actual solid ball. Look at that. That's mint. I'm going to keep this indefinitely. I'm going to put it somewhere, and one day I'm going to think one day I'm going to use it, but I'm never actually going to find a real purpose for this. So I'm going to have 2 white plastic balls in my bedroom for the next 55 years. Racer Surprise. Oil Slick Slime. What the f***? Why does it come with slime? Why has everything got to come with slime? What is this? Make a racer. Oh. There's a car in there. What the hell? Oh, you actually have to build the thing. Oh, okay. I mean, it does say make a racer. Got some kind of Charger. Dodge Charger knockoff. Oh, brilliant. It is just slime. Oh. Why? Why? I know it's for kids, but just, is slime still a craze? Is this oh, it was a craze when I was bloody a kid. Why is it still going? Oh, it's just disgusting. It's just that typical moist, wet, slimy, shitty feeling. Fucking ugh. I now really regret doing that. Is this stuff easy to clean? Use under adult supervision. Wash hands with clean water thoroughly before and after using this product. What the fuck? This slime is non-toxic, but ingredients may cause damage to sealed or varnished surfaces such as tables or other wooden surfaces. What about walls? Call a doctor immediately if ingested. Residual colour may transfer. Great. Oh, fucking wonderful. Yeah, the colour has already transferred. Well, this is just disgusting. And I just do not see the purpose for this coming with a bag of slime. So that can go over there. And I will have to go and clean my fucking wall now. Why did I do that? What incentive did I have to just chuck it at the wall. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, great. No, that's marvellous. Oh, great, now. Okay, so my wall now needs redecorating. Back to the ball. What's in this then? Ah, the parts. Wow, there's actually quite a few parts. This can't be hard to build, surely. And then here we got some... Oh, of course, it's a police car. Some stickers. And something that's going to spoil everything, so we'll look at that in a minute. Right, so... Is that not meant to come out then? Is that meant to stay in there? Surely I don't need any... No, it must come out because that needs to go in there. There we go. Right, can my childish brain figure this out without instructions? I can smash my hand into the camera though, that's a good idea. So this is going to be some sort of screwdriver then, I take it. Wow. Yes, that certainly drives that and that. So we've got a little light bar up there. I would guess that perhaps does that at some point, and then that probably goes in there like that. And then we no. Oh, yep, that's better. Let's do that again. Yep, like that. Yep, yes. Screwy. Oh, yes. That's very good, very good. Then we want probably that. Probably. Yes, that clicks in there. Very nice, very nice. Then I suppose we connect these wheels in and then screw the rims in or something, I would have guessed. Oh. We could have a speed run percent on building these Zuru buildy things. Wow. And then we have the loudest car known to man. Awesome. This does not. That does not roll very well, but I suppose there's not much to these wheels, so surprised they even work, to be honest. Then we got some stickers, so I guess you put some stripes somewhere. I can see where that most likely goes. But I'm sure you get the gist, and I just don't like stickers very much. That probably goes somewhere like that. Wow. God, this is naff. I paid £3.50 for each of these, so, you know, £3.50 that. Don't forget it comes with slime though. I suppose you could actually throw the slime into the ball, and then you've got endless fun with a weighted ball. Wobble, 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 wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. No, it's not working properly now. Shit. Yeah, £3.50 for this. Oh, by the way, they were reduced. I'm pretty sure they were like £6 to £8 before, or something like that. I guess the other stripes go down here. I mean, I'm not too bothered about the stickers. Maybe if I feel keen, I'll get it done at the end. So, let's go on to the next one. There's 9 to collect. I have no idea if there's any rare ones, but we'll have a look at the documentation that comes with the cars at the end. So, 1 layer. 2 layers. 2 layers of extremely loud landfill plastic. Wonderful. Stuff. More slime. It's the same colour. Right, which one has the car? I think it's the white one has the car. Let's open the parts, see what we get. Oh, f*** off, is it the same thing? Oh, well that's ruined my day. Great. That can just go over there then. What else could we have got? Basically everything else was infinitely better. Mint. We got 2 of the police car. Look at that, we could have got a knockoff Ferrari. And a knockoff Supra. They would have been so much cooler. But no, I got 2 of those. Thanks, guys. Yeah, blind boxes are just bloody annoying. Well, there we are. Am I going to buy another one for this? No. No, I'm really not. They've all got the same wheels, just in different colours. I don't think £3.50 is worth the money. I'm pretty sure that's club card price as well, so you have to have a club card to do that. There is a rare car, there's a rare race car, but I'm not bothered by that in the slightest. It would have been cool to get the muscle car, the knockoff Ferrari and the knockoff Supra. However, no. Not allowed, apparently. Actually, there's a point. Where did the stickers go? The 36 goes on the front. Oh, okay. I will put the stickers on it, just for completion's sake. I didn't say I was going to put them on there very well, though. I just said I was going to stick them on there. But to be honest, it just looks like one of those cheap toys that would be stuck at the bottom of the toy box, and then it'll end up at a charity shop, boot sale, jumble sale, at some point in its life. Well, I don't know. The building, it's kind of interesting. I'm sure that could give some kid a bit of enjoyment. The actual thing that's left, though, is some barely rolling thing and some slime that's going to get stuck in your carpets or on your walls or ingested. And then when your kid goes, I want to get them all, you have to go and buy all the rest. But of course, they're blind boxes, so they inevitably cry when they get another duplicate, and you end up spending a fortune because they cost lots of money each, because they really want the rare one. But, you know, you can't just go out and buy it now, can you? Well, hasn't this been a riveting 999th episode? I really do pull out the stops for these. Amazing. Subscribe or get slimed! Land on the goddamn car. Oh, brilliant.